Hello guys, today I'm gonna see how I can fix this reel. First, I already trying to take the debris out here. Right, so basically the issue with this reel is I only got this for about 2.5 weeks and I used this probably 4 times so far, 4 fishing trip, and something wrong with the gear after I sprayed down with water, and now it's stuck right here. The gear stuck inside, cannot spin it freely now, so I got hold it tight and then it spin freely, and then to a point it stopped right here, and it's kind of stopped right there. So from what I think, I'm gonna remove this cap here. So I got the cap out and the handle. I'll leave that on this to the side. And what we're doing next is we remove this cap in the back here. There's one screw down here. And we take this cap out. Now we just remove this 4 bolt. I will speed up the process here. That 4 bolt loose, we can go ahead and remove this. Let's see if I can get this out. Look like I gotta remove this part up here, so we're gonna turn this counterclockwise to take this top cap out. Okay, that come loose, and you can pull this top part out. Now we can tell the issue is within the gear in here, so I cannot spin this one freely. It's really hot right now, and then it spin freely, and then it come to a stop right here, so I cannot spin freely. Alright, so moving on, we're gonna need to remove this gear, pull it out, put it on the side. Now we need to find a 12mm wrench to remove this, which I have it here, 12mm. So we can go ahead and remove this bolt. Basically this bolt right here is preventing you from unscrew this bolt. Okay, now we can just use the 12mm and turn it counterclockwise, and that can loose, and you can loose with your hand. Take this out. Now you can slide this whole thing out, and we'll let this on the side here. Now we can remove this cap, and here's how the internal look like. So from what I look at the other YouTube video, it seems like the issue is with this rod right here that is bent. So when it kind of scroll up and down, let's see if I can get this gear out. Okay, so I got this gear out here. I'm gonna leave it here. So from the other video that I'm looking at, it looked like this rod right here is bended, so it's causing it when it goes up. Let's see if I can spin it here. I'm gonna try to remove this rod and see if it's straight. It's really hard to tell with your eye if this is bent. Looking at it sideways here on my side, looks pretty straight to me. So the issue with this, I'm not quite sure what's going on with it. Oh, I think I see the issue. So basically this bolt is loose right here, because I see this one is wiggling right now, and this bolt is kind of loose. So you can see I can move my screw back and forth without much pressure. So this bolt is loose right here. So it seems like this is the quick fix for me right here. Because when I turn this thing move upward like this way. That's why it's stuck right here. Like when I turn the gear down, when this move toward the upper right, it stopped moving right here. I cannot move the gear anymore. So once this one go back down right here, I can move the gear. But once this one move again, I cannot move the gear. So we found the issue here. So I'm gonna slide this gear back in, this rod back in. So I'm gonna try push this back and then gonna tighten this bolt. Okay, now we got it tight. I think this is the majority of the issue here. So I'm gonna put this gear back on. And I can put this cover back. I'll put the screw back here. Like this is a easy fix. So I'll put this gear back on. Right, now we can try do some testing here. It's still buying up. So let me see where it's stuck right here. Okay, so this is where it's kind of stuck. So I'm gonna try turn by hand here and see if it's gonna move through nicely. It seems like when it reached the bottom here, it's kind of become kind of hot when it reached the bottom part. The screw came loose again here. I'm gonna flip this bar down. Put this thing around here, see if this helps. Here still seem pretty hot to move. Gonna try see how this goes. Still biting up when it going back down. Yeah, based on this reel design, I don't think I wanna buy another reel like this. It look like this design here is not great. Where it came down here, it could be this bolt or the stud on this side that is bent, but it's really hard to tell that the stick on this side is bent. This reel is trash. This reel is really trash. I wouldn't recommend buying this reel, guys. Don't bite this, guys.